Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're running out of daylight. It's Teresa's mom's birthday today. She's 78 years old. And we've been kind of messing around inside stuff. It's a 78. Oh, yeah, there we go. I should have got her to do a deuce drink. That would have been pretty sweet. Before we get started, we got some in the mail, of course. Here it is, check it out. Action!
I'm opening these for the very first time.
What have you got there?
Some fat and weird cookies.
Fat and weird cookies. Those look delicious.
Well, this explains why your name's on it.
Yeah, well, okay. I mean, open it up. What's it say in there? What does all this say? Best.
That was a good one.
Here, best served warm for optimal enjoyment. It's got all the instructions right here. On you heat them up in the air fryer.
Okay. Well, they're not weird looking cookies. I guess it's just for weird people.
Do not scan.
Because they're normal cookies.
Yes. What is this?
I do actually need my glasses back on.
It says gift note to Rodney and T from Chris O. Thank you for the
I got
videos and the jokes. Thank you for supporting our small
Who's
business.
Chris
It's a
O?
small business.
Oh.
He's a subscriber. We text. He's the guy that always texts me crazy stuff.
I kind of.
I seen him at Camp Chef
you
once.
told me about that. Okay.
Yes.
So he actually owns things?
No, it's just
it's
it's
a
just
small
it's
business.
their small business. No,
Yeah.
he's not. Maybe he does own it. I doubt it. But I know Eric who owns the Milk Party
it
Bakery.
came from Panama City, Florida.
Oh.
So maybe it's.
No, he doesn't live in Panama City.
Okay, well, this is the baker's choice. Do we want to like say some of the
What?
names? The DoorDash and Chill, Dubai chocolate,
Oh, they got different
Wizard's
names.
Brew.
Oh wow, look at that one. That's lumpy. I don't
Is
know
that
what
its
the actual name of it
No, it's on the
is.
back, too.
It says lumpy. It looks
Fix.
The who?
The
Fix.
The Fix.
Oh wow, they got all
They're
kinds of
all
different
lumpy.
names. I thought they were all like one kind of cookie because they got the little design on them, but they're different.
Well, that was really nice.
Yeah, those. I mean, I totally need them too. I'm about to dry and blow away. Yes,
Don't suck it in.
I did a little bit. Well, thank you,
Okay.
Chris.
Yes, thank
we
you.
Absolutely.
Are we gonna confess that we had to reshoot this?
We had to reshoot this, honestly.
Well, because I couldn't read that.
Because she couldn't read the thing. She doesn't know who they're from. We made a guesstimate on it, and then I read the fine print, and we were like, oh no. So thanks, Chris. We did a reshoot.
Yes.
The reshoot
Thank
was
you.
better than the first shot, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if you can hear my mom in the background laughing too.
Yes.
So.
Yeah, she got a kick out of it.
But
We're professional YouTubers,
yes. Okay.
Well, thanks, Chris.
thank you,
We
Chris.
appreciate it.
Oh, yes.
and we will enjoy these.
Yeah, we'll let you know how they
Yeah.
are
Yeah, we'll take a picture. Send it to you.
As we're eating.
after we cook them in the air fryer, or like heat them up in the air fryer.
Yes, everyone on YouTube loves it. It's 3 minutes long.
Okay.
And it's 3 minutes. Say bye now.
Bye.
All right, thanks, Chris, for the cookies. My God, those things are freaking huge. I can't wait to consume some. We have the car jacked up. I pulled the oil filter off, and I didn't love what I saw in it. Basically, it wasn't like it was metallic. It was just clumpy and stuff. So we're going to drain the oil, and I haven't read all the comments. Somebody commented that passage could be plugged, maybe. So we're going to drain the oil, and a lot of people, not a lot of people, but they're, transmissions, valve train. I will say that we did pull the valve covers off after we shut off the camera yesterday. We pulled the valve covers off. We put some plugs in the intake, ran the valve train around. Everything looked good. So nothing obvious. I was kind of in a rush because I had to go pick up Teresa, got back and it was getting dark, and I didn't just micro look at everything, but wasn't anything obvious making the noise. So whatever, it still could be, rod, main bearing, whatever. We don't know, but we're gonna drain the oil real quick. I've got some oil. I ordered some. I gotta go pick it up. I mean, I know, right? It's from Walmart, but they had Marvel Mystery Oil, basically like half off. That stuff has gotten crazy expensive. It was pretty cheap on Walmart. So I had to order it online to get it, and I won't get it till later on tonight. So tomorrow we'll pull the fresh stuff in, and we'll try and run it again and see what happens. Technically, while I'm under there, I could look and check the converter bolts and stuff like that and see if there's anything obviously touching. I don't know if I'll do that. I mean, maybe, I don't know. First thing I gotta do is drain the oil though. So let me get to that. So we got here. Man, for all you guys that are working out in your yard, I feel for you. Yeah, that doesn't look amazing. But, all right, let me slide out under here until it gets all drained out. Oil didn't look terrible. Didn't come out all chunky or anything else. Doesn't look super duper metallic-y. So who knows? I guess I could take a look at the converter bolt or two. Well, nothing looked crazy coming out of the oil filter, or nothing looked crazy coming out of the front of it either. So whatever. I can't remember if I added like some Marble Mr. Oil to it back. I didn't watch the videos, so I may have put it. The oil was pretty thin, so I may have added some back then. But we're gonna put a fresh oil filter, a Wix, and we're gonna put some fresh oil, some diesel like Rotella type stuff, and we're gonna put a quart of. We're gonna put some. We're gonna put a bottle of Marble Mr. Oil in it and let that percolate a little bit. I didn't see anything technically on the converter bolts. That doesn't mean nothing. We have changed the oil and put some Marble Mr. Oil in it. Yep, nice and clean. Just gonna leave that out right this minute. See if it'll fire off today. It does sound maybe like something on the flex plate. I don't. Usually it's just knock, 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 knock. And we put this Moroso valve cover on just because we put a new valve cover gasket on it, so it'll seal up good. I don't know. Let me shut you guys off while I'm thinking. Man, I want to say it's like in the flex plate. Just sitting here running it over and over is not really doing anything to find out the problem. The balancer's toast. I mean, I can see the ring pushing out of it everywhere. Not that that matters. But, I don't know. Jesus Christ. What am I doing? What am I freaking doing out here? Okay, well, we're kind of no further along now than when we started this video, but it did run for an extended period of time. I'm probably going to order like a click-clack pump off of Amazon or something, just so we can have some actual fuel pressure and not run it just off atmospheric pressure. And see, it does run good. That's the crazy part. Besides the fact that it makes weird noises, it actually runs good. It has good oil pressure. It runs good. I don't know. I mean, this is how I get myself into trouble. I don't know what to do. So far, like McNugget's killing it on the votes. So I would really like to take this engine out, hook a transmission to it, put it in McNugget, and just have another car to race if I want to, hoon around with. I don't know, just whatever, do some stuff too. We do have an electric water pump drive that one of you guys sent us. I'm pretty sure it was John Baker that sent it. But we could put that on, and then we could run we put a radiator in, and then we could run some coolant through it to keep it, you know, cool while we're trying to run it. I really need to put it on the pad to work on it, but to do that, I have to move Trojan, then I've got to move the brain, and on and on and on. And we really need to work on the brain. We need to work on Trojan. So, but I get caught. I go down a rabbit hole, start messing with this thing, because at some point it's going to go somewhere. To some Bean's going to come and get it. Somebody's going to get it somewhere, somehow. It still has some decent parts on it. If you know, I guess there's a bunch of these cars floating around with decent parts on that nobody can probably almost give away. But I don't know. I don't know. So anyway. It is what it is. The combo for the Dirty Pickle is listed in the description of the video. And thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. And thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you. We certainly would want to. Thanks again, Chris, for the cookies. And until next time on the Substandard Leader Box Party videos on this here man's YouTube. 1 year, stick shift, single plane, push rod, Lincoln Town Cars, Ford drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, brake bleeder, pole dancer extreme, VIP, lounge, rope mover, and money collector at the door. Covered charge is cheap to get in this bitch of Club Big Boost. And as always, fighting the good fight against them zombie Mustangs, that rascal Dr. Fear. I will see you morons later.